Today's subject is health education and pharmacy. We have to see the chapter number 4, that is first aid. Then in this lecture we have to see about the first aid treatment in poisoning. Then first we have to see what is poison. The poison is any substance which has harmful effect on the body. It is important. Harmful effect on the body, injuries, health or producing death. So this term as a poison. Poison is any substance which has harmful effect on the body, injurious health or producing death. It is called as the poison. Then what is poisoning? The poisoning may be accidental. The first is which is accidental, and second which is intentional in nature, and third is homicidal. Homicidal means for the purpose of to kill the human beings. Then poisoning may be accidental, intentional or homicidal. Then next we have to see the poisons may be occurs by. The first is inhalation. Inhalation means inhaled by the breathing. When poisonous gases or fumes are breathed, it is called as inhalation. Second is ingestion. Ingestion means by oral route. When the poison is swallowed, it is called as ingestion. And third is injection. Injection means into the skin by means of the syringe or when the poisonous animal or insect bite. It is called as injection. Means poisons may be occurs by, the first is inhalation, second is by ingestion, and third is by injection. Then first we have to see one by one. What is inhaled poison? Inhaled poison means a gas poisoning usually occurs due to breathing of household gases, fumes or fires or stoves, motor, exhaust means pollution of the vehicle, etc. Means it is called as the inhaled poison. Then second is ingested poison, means it is by oral route or by swallowing. Poisons when swallowed may cause retching. The retching is the retroperistalsis, reverse process by esophagus or stomach without vomiting. It is called as the retching. Retching means the retroperistalsis movement. Common nausea, vomiting or diarrhea. Then the corrosive acids or alkalis may burn the lips when it is taken by oral route or swallowed, mouth and stomach, and this may cause intense pain. So it is about the ingested poison. Then next, the ingested poison when absorbed and enter into the circulation. Ingest poisons means when the poison is taken by the oral route, then it is swallowed, then when it is absorbed and enter into the circulation, then in that case it may be produce variety of effect like depression, then second or delirium. Delirium means confusion of the mental state. It is called as the delirium depending on its action. Then next, injected poison, injected by the syringe directly into the systemic circulation. Then poisons may be injected for either suicide or homicide. Suicide means self and homicide means to kill the human beings by the injected poison. And injected poison is very rapidly absorbed and it produces harmful effect very quickly, because injected poison is directly goes to the systemic circulation and it gives onset of action. Therefore, it is rapidly absorbed and it produces the harmful effect very quickly in case of the injected poison. Then in this lecture we have to see about the first aid treatment in poisoning. First we have to see what is poison. Second is what is poisoning, is accidental, intentional or homicidal. Third, then what is the occurrence of poison by inhalation, by ingestion, by injection. Then we have to see detail about the inhaled poison, ingested poison and injected poison.